In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint in GIMP. We'll walk through getting your canvas ready, choosing the right paint tool, setting your color, fine-tuning your brush, and laying down clean strokes. I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical, so you can start creating right away. Begin by opening GIMP. To work on a fresh canvas, go to File, then New. A dialog will appear where you can choose a size that suits your project, whether you want a small sketch space or a larger, high-resolution canvas for detailed work. If you'd rather paint directly on a photo or an existing design, choose File, then Open, and select your image. Either approach is perfect. The key is picking the one that fits your goal. Next, choose a paint tool. Head to Tools, then Paint Tools to see your options. The paintbrush gives soft, smooth strokes that are great for shading and general painting. The pencil creates hard, crisp lines, ideal for pixel art or sharp edges. The airbrush builds color gradually, mimicking a spray effect for gentle transitions. The ink tool delivers calligraphy-style strokes with expressive line width. And the My Paintbrush offers a range of custom brush styles that can add texture and personality to your strokes. Pick the tool that matches the look you want. Now set your color. In the toolbox, click the Foreground Color box. The color picker lets you choose a hue and adjust saturation and brightness. Take a second to pick a color with enough contrast against your background so your strokes are easy to see as you work. With your tool and color set, fine-tune the brush in Tool Options. Adjust size to control how thick your stroke appears. Hardness affects the edge. Lower values create softer, blended edges, while higher values stay crisp. Opacity determines how transparent or solid your paint looks. Lower opacity is great for building tones gradually, and higher opacity delivers bold, opaque color. You can also choose different brush shapes to change the character of your stroke, from round and soft to textured and expressive. You're ready to paint. Click and drag across the canvas to apply color. For neat straight lines, hold Shift while painting, click once to set a start point, hold Shift, then click again to complete a straight segment. Work in smooth, controlled strokes, and build up color slowly if you want subtle transitions. Zoom in for precision on details and zoom out regularly to check the overall look. That's all you need to start painting in GIMP. Open or create a canvas, pick the right tool, set your color, tune the brush, and paint with confident strokes. Enjoy exploring and refining your style.